Hi guys, in this video I'm going to say and teach about the Ncert Max Chapter 7 factorization. Without any hesitation, let's quickly get into the chapter. In workout 7.1, we will try to solve it. And the first one is to find the common factor of the following terms. First, the sum is 14x and 42y. And the 14x and 42y you can solve by this method. As you can see that it is 14x and 42y. You can 14x you can separate as 7 into 2 into x. 7 into 2 is 14 and 14 into x is equal to 14x. 42y you can divide as 7 into 2 into 3 into y, which is equal to 42y. And as 7 and 2 are common for both the terms, they are known as common factors. And you need to write as common factors, but you should not write as 7, 2 because it's wrong. You need to write 7 into 2 is equal to 14 because 14 is common for both the term 14x and 42y. And let's solve the next sum here. 15xy and 30x square y square. And you can write the 15xy as 5 into 3 into x into y. And 30x square y square as 5 into 3 into 2 into x into y into y. Because if you multiply both, it will come like this. But you need to take the common factors out. 5 and 3 and x and y are common in both the term. And you need to write as common factor is equal to 5 into 3 into x into y is equal to 15xy. And in the second term, you should not do it in this method because it's only to find the common factors out. But in the second, they are asked to factorize. So this is another method which is easier than this. You can solve by your mind itself. Let's see this. The question is 2a cube b minus 4a square. And you can see the 2 is common for both 2 and 4, so you can take the 2 out. And a cube and a square, a square is small and common in both, so you can write it as 2a square into ab minus 2. So you can do it in your mind. And the third one is 3ax square plus 6a square x. And this is the way to solve this, as I done in the second sum. And for you to check, you need to multiply both. 3ax into x is equal to 3ax square plus 6ax square when you multiply these two. And let's do the workout 7.2 second sum. Workout 7.2 second sum, you need to do it by the regrouping method, which gives you additional one step. So let's get into it. The regrouping method is so easy. They have given you 4 terms, so you need to group the terms which have the common factors. In this, you need to group the 2xy plus x plus and 22y plus 11. And if you group it, and you need to take the common factor out like this, x and as the 2y plus 1 is common in the both, you need to take the 2y plus 1 out and x plus 11 because x plus 11 is here. So this is all, guys. And this sum is also like this, which is you need to group the first two and last two, and you need to take the common factor out, and as it's common in the both, you need to write like this and here. And the next workout 7.3 you should solve by this method. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. First one, x square minus 49. As 49 is 7 square is equal. So you should write as x square minus 7 square is equal to x plus 7 into x minus 7. And the next sum is minus 144 minus 9y square, which is the third sum of workout 7.3. As the both have minus symbol, which is not in which there is no identity, you can easily write as can't be factorized because you cannot solve it. And on the second the sum is 9x square minus 4y square. As 9 is 3x and 3 square is equal to 3x to the whole square minus 2y to the whole square. And you need to solve by this. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 3x plus 2y into 3x minus 2y. And in workout 7.4 second sum, x square plus 10x plus 25. You need to split the second term 10x, because it should be equally going to both, and as it will come. You can substitute the 10x as x square plus 5x plus 5x is equal to 25, as 5x plus 5x is equal to 10x. And you need to group the first two and second two. And first two and second two, x square plus 5x and 5x plus 25. You need to take the common factors out, x into x plus 5 and 5 into x plus 5. As the x plus 5 is common for both, you need to take this out. And x plus 5, this is how to solve this. And 16x you need, and 16x, and this is another type of method which is found in 7.5. 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. You can write the 16x square as 4x square plus 24xy plus 3y to the whole square. And you need to solve by this method. A plus b to the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and 12 into 2 is equal to 24xy. So the answer will be 4x plus 3y to the whole square. And then we have came to the last subdivision, that is with code 7.6, and x square, and the sum which is given in the book is x square plus 8x plus 15 divided by x square plus 3, and you need to subtract this to x square plus 3x plus 5x plus, and you need to subtract this to and write this as the same. And you need to take the common factor out, and as this is common for the both, you need to write it here, and the x plus 5 write it here, and divided by x plus 3, and x plus 3 is in both numerator and denominator. You need to take that out, and you need to write x plus 5. And this is all, guys, in this video. Hope you enjoy it, and please click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon, and don't forget to click the like button. And if you have any doubts or comment on this video, please comment that on the comment section below.